Gather around, ye sisters, because it looks like somebody over at Colourpop today blew out that black flame candle, and their Hocus Pocus Disney collaboration launch was a complete and utter failure. So what exactly happened, and when can you actually get your hands on that precious Hocus Pocus collaboration? We're going to talk about all of that and more right now. Welcome back, everyone. Alexandra here. So if any of you all are like myself and a huge Hocus Pocus fan, then today at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or in my case, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you are ready and waiting on Colourpop's website to try to get your hands on that glorious Hocus Pocus Disney collaboration launch. And you probably saw screens like this one right here. So this is what happened for me. And I'm just going to show you guys what happened on my end because, of course, you guys know I took screenshots all along the way. So they're literally at 102, 103. I mean, there was nothing up at all. About quarter after 1, there was one product up, and that was the Amok Glitter Gel. That was the only product that was listed. By about 1:30, they had 4 products listed. So they had the Black Flame Candle Cream Gel Liner, the Amok Glitter Gel, the Another Glorious Morning Glitter Gel, and 1 set of lashes. So that was all that was up and available for view at 1:32 today. Then around 1:54, they did manage to get the Come Little Children Cream Gel Liner set. So all 3 liners, and then there was the single liner, Trick or Treat liner, and then the other 4 products. That was all that I ever saw, and that was at 1:54. I managed to somehow check out, and that was with these sites continually crashing, it continually kicking me out, me continually seeing screens like that. I managed to check out around 2 o'clock. 2:02 is when I got the confirmation from Colourpop saying that my order was processed, even though on my actual screen, I never saw anything. So they did take the money out of my account. They did give me a confirmation order, but that was it. And that's all I was able to get my hands on. I never did see the palette. I never saw any of the other lashes or any of the other items, or if there was any other sets. Now, I did get on Twitter and I did see a lot of people really frustrated, and they showed a lot of screenshots that they were having and problems that they were having. And a lot of people claimed that they did get the items or some of the items in their cart, but then when they went to check out, it said that the products were completely sold out. Now, I can tell you, according to Colourpop, the items are not sold out. They still have a full inventory, and we're going to talk about that here in just a second. Now, Colourpop did update people, or try to update them, on their Instagram and Twitter pages, and this was the post that they put up on their Instagram page. It said, "We're experiencing some technical difficulties due to increased demand for the Hocus Pocus collection. You all got so excited. We're working on fixing it ASAP. Please hold on tight. We still have inventory." And this was about 1:45 today. So it looks like between 1:45 and 2:30, however, they finally pulled the plug on everything. So the items that were actually listed on the website, they took those off. The items that weren't listed on the website or weren't popping up for people, those were taken off. They just took everything off, and nothing is on there as of right now. And according to them, they're basically going to be redoing the launch tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Again, that's 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if you live on the East Coast like myself. So why did Colourpop have so many problems today, and why did their system crash? Well, I'm sure you guys won't be surprised at all when I tell you who runs their software programming, but yet it's Shopify. Now, if you guys remember, just 11 months ago when Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star did their huge launch, again, Shopify crashed on Jeffree Star's website, Morphe's website, Beautylish. Everybody had problems across the board, and it was all linked back to Shopify. So this seems to be a common problem with them. Now, I know a lot of people were getting really frustrated on Twitter and on Instagram, as I was myself, so I completely get it. But just keep in mind, this is not Colourpop's fault. Now, I will put this little opinion or note in there, side note, whatever you want to call it. I feel like if this continues to be an issue and Colourpop chooses to keep Shopify, then maybe it is their fault, because you know that this is obviously a continuous problem with Shopify. Shopify cannot handle a huge demand and huge launches like this. That's just been proven time and time and time again. So I feel like at this point, if you're going to do a huge launch, maybe just do that launch through somebody else. Keep Shopify for everything else. I don't really know. I don't know a lot about that aspect of it. But again, it just seems to be a continuing problem with Shopify. All right, so obviously today was a complete disaster. So how do you go about getting your hands on the launch now? Well, according to Colourpop, they posted this on their Instagram a little bit ago, and it says, "Thank you for your patience. Shopify was unable to support the amount of traffic for the Disney Hocus Pocus collection." Who knew, right? And they said they're working on fixing it ASAP. We're super excited to share this magic with you, and they're going to be relaunching the collection tomorrow, Thursday, October 1st at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And again, if you're on the East Coast like myself, that's 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what's going to change from yesterday to today? I don't really know, you guys, because again, this is a common occurrence with Shopify. They had this issue with the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson launch. They've had this issues with other launches and now with Colourpop. So what is going to change? I'm not really for sure, but they've got about 24 hours to get it figured out. Now, it also seems like that a lot of people aren't even going to try tomorrow. Like, they're really upset about today. There's a lot of people, about 3,000 comments right now on Instagram where people are just like, are you kidding me? You know, I specifically made time out of my day just for this launch today, and I'm not doing it again tomorrow. That's ridiculous. So maybe that'll be the difference. Maybe there won't be as many people on the servers. Also, all of those people that were actually able to check out today with a few items, hopefully those people won't be on the servers. But I don't know, you guys, that's a lot of people. I don't think that they're going to have enough product to go around. So I think they're going to have the same issues tomorrow, but only time will tell. Let me know down below, what do you think about this craziness? Did you try to get on the launch today? Were you able to get your hands on anything? Are you going to try to get on tomorrow? I'm really, really curious to hear your all's thoughts down below. And that's it for today. Thank you once again for joining me. And if you are going to try on this launch tomorrow, good luck to you, babes, because I know it's tough out there. I was ready to pull my hair out today, especially chasing a 1-year-old. So I can only imagine what some of the other people were going through. Hopefully Colourpop and really Shopify, hopefully Shopify gets it together, or Colourpop kicks Shopify to the curb. But only time will tell. Until next time, you guys, see ya.